Match number 37, Punjab Kings versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. Now, both of these two teams have lost the first match in the second half of the IPL. Both of these teams are at the bottommost in the points table. From here on in the tournament, it's a do or die for both of these teams, and therefore they might make big changes in their playing 11, including the entry of David Malan and Chris Gayle. In such a scenario, how do you make your Fantasy 11 team? Stay with us till the end of this video. We will give you a perfect combination. Hello and welcome to another video by Trick Tips. My name is Manthan, and in this video we are going to do a complete fantasy team 11 analysis for Punjab Kings versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. Now, before we get into the video, let us look at some important statistics. Both of these teams have faced each other 17 times, out of which Sunrisers Hyderabad have won 12 times and Punjab Kings has won just 5 times. In the last 5 matches when both of these teams collided, Sunrisers Hyderabad won 3 times and PBKS won just 2 times. And now talking about the most important part of this video, which is the pitch report. Now, this match is going to get played in the Sharjah Stadium, which is a dead rubber pitch and it's nightmare for bowlers. So usually matches here are very high scoring, but then both of these teams, PBKS and SRH, is a set of very good experienced bowlers, and therefore we expect the average score to remain between 160 to 170, and we'll make our Dream 11 team accordingly. Now let's talk about the wicket keepers. 2 wicket keeping options in front of you. Number 1, Wriddhiman Saha, and number 2, KL Rahul. Now, one that we will suggest in your team is undoubtedly KL Rahul. 40 plus runs in the last match, consistent player, orange cap contender, and one of the most consistent players in the IPL. KL Rahul has to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. Wriddhiman Saha doesn't play international cricket, low on confidence, and therefore someone who will not recommend in your Fantasy 11 team. Now let's talk about the batsmen. Number 1, David Warner. This Aussie giant is one of the most successful players in the IPL history as a batsman. Now, so what if he got out for a duck in the first match? He is in fact the highest run scorer from SRH against Punjab Kings, scored more than 600 runs, in fact 698 runs against his franchisee, and therefore David Warner has to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. Number 2 is Mayank Agarwal, a sensational player for Punjab Kings, someone who might also overshadow KL Rahul as far as his batting is concerned. Scored 67 runs against Rajasthan Royals in the first match. A big chance of him getting into the Indian team for the T20 World Cup in November, probably. Player number 3 is Kane Williamson. Now, these New Zealand skipper is of course my favorite player, but then he has 2 duties on his shoulders. Number 1, to make sure he bats well for the team, and number 2, to make sure he leads the team at least to playoffs, in case if it's even possible for now for Sunrisers Hyderabad. And therefore, Kane Williamson has to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. Number 4 is Aiden Markram. Now, he has made his debut for the IPL this time. He played for Punjab Kings and he scored 26 runs, not out. Now, this South African player has played in pretty much many T20 leagues in South Africa, and if you talk about his cover drive, none other than Virat Kohli has tweeted how wonderful he makes his cover drive, and therefore Aiden Markram is someone whom we will suggest you in your Fantasy 11 team. And then the most important player for this video and for this match might be Chris Henry Gayle, the complete IPL batsman who has smashed Sunrisers Hyderabad. And how can we forget that century against Sunrisers Hyderabad when he smashed Rashid Khan and scored 104 runs. Chris Gayle, if joins today's match, is gonna be epic and fireworks. Let's see if he plays for Punjab Kings today. And if he plays, he has to be there in your playing 11. And now talking about the all-rounders, the Trick Tips player to look out for will be Jason Holder. Now, this Caribbean player is amazing when it comes to bowling. With his height, he gets the benefit of bouncers. Deadly bowler. In the 20 matches that he has played, he has already picked 22 wickets, and therefore Jason Holder will be the only all-rounder we suggest you in your team, and also he'll be the Trick Tips player to look out for. Now, since we had just one all-rounder, one bowling all-rounder, we will have 5 bowlers in our Fantasy 11 team. Beginning with Sunrisers Hyderabad, this duo of Rashid Khan and Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Now, Bhuvneshwar Kumar is the highest wicket-taking bowler from SRH against Punjab Kings. He has picked 19 wickets. Consistent senior Indian bowler, needs to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. And then Rashid Khan, a complete IPL bowler who has always been consistent. He's an economic bowler. He wouldn't give out more than 6 runs in an over, and therefore you can have Rashid Khan in your team, who has also picked, by the way, 17 wickets against Punjab Kings. So seasoned IPL player has to be there in your Fantasy 11 team. Now let's talk about the bowlers. Now, since we just had one bowling all-rounder in our team, we are going to play with 5 bowlers, because both of these teams have very good bowlers with them. Number 1, beginning with Sunrisers Hyderabad, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. He is the highest wicket-taking bowler from SRH. Against Punjab Kings, picked 19 wickets. A seasoned Indian player, an experienced Indian player, you can definitely have him in your fantasy 11 team. Number 2, Rashid Khan. Although in the first match he did not take many wickets, but he took this important wicket of Shikhar Dhawan, the orange cap holder. Otherwise, he has taken 17 wickets against Punjab Kings, second after Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, a seasoned IPL player, economic bowler who won't give out more than 6 runs in an over. Rashid Khan has to be there in your team. And then talking about this bowling duo of Punjab Kings, Arshdeep Singh and Mohammad Shami. Together, both of these players picked 8 wickets against Rajasthan Royals. Both of them looks in terrific form. This duo could get deadly when it comes to PBK's bowling lineup, and therefore we suggest both of these players in your team. And then one more addition is Harpreet Brar. This young player has been really doing well and impressing people out there. His economy rate is good. You get him for just less credits, and therefore Harpreet Brar could be a very well addition for your set of bowlers, complete 5 bowlers. And now talking about the power players, if you are somebody who makes teams on platforms like Dream 11 or My Circle 11, then the power players that we will suggest you as captain or a vice captain would be undoubtedly David Warner and KL Rahul. So that was a complete prediction analysis for Punjab Kings versus Sunrisers Hyderabad. Please like this video, share this video with all your friends who make teams on fantasy platforms, and please subscribe to Cricket Tips channel where we bring you such videos 24 hours before the IPL match so that you could make your team a perfect team. See you again in one such more video. Till then, thank you.